5. Outline 4 roles of the Attorney General in the Kenyan government. 1. Legal advisor to the government. The Attorney General serves as the chief legal advisor to the government, providing legal counsel to the President, Cabinet, and various government ministries and departments. 2. Chief prosecutor. The Attorney General is responsible for overseeing the prosecution of criminal cases on behalf of the state. 3. Guardian of the public interest. The Attorney General acts as a guardian of the public interest. This involves intervening in legal matters that affect the public interest, constitutional issues, or matters of significant national importance. For representation in international legal matters. The Attorney General represents the government in international legal matters. This includes providing legal advice on international agreements and treaties, representing the government in international courts or tribunals, and handling legal aspects of diplomatic and international relations. 6. Define the term a state corporation at 2 marks. State corporation refers to a legal entity or organization that is established by an Act of Parliament and owned by the Government of Kenya. 7. The Teachers Service Commission, TSC, of Kenya is an independent commission established under the Constitution of Kenya to manage human resource within the education sector. List 4 requirements for one to be registered as a teacher in Kenya. 4 marks. Educational qualifications. Individuals seeking registration as teachers in Kenya typically need to meet specific educational qualifications. Teacher training and certification. Completion of a recognized teacher training program is a common requirement. This involves obtaining a teaching certificate or diploma from an accredited teacher training institution. Compliance with TSC standards. Applicants must meet the standards set by the Teachers Service Commission. This may include demonstrating competence in teaching methods, understanding the curriculum, and meeting any other criteria established by the TSC for the registration of teachers. Professional ethics and conduct. Teachers are expected to adhere to high standards of professional ethics and conduct. Applicants for teacher registration need to demonstrate good moral character and a commitment to upholding the ethical standards set by the TSC. 8. Outline 4 ways through which a clerical officer may ensure prudent use of public resources in a public office. 4 marks. Record keeping and documentation. Maintain accurate and detailed records of financial transactions, purchases, and expenditures. Budget adherence and monitoring. Ensure strict adherence to the approved budget for the public office. Clerical officers should monitor spending patterns, compare actual expenditures against budgeted amounts, and report any variances. Expense authorization and approval procedures. Implement and enforce proper authorization and approval procedures for expenses. Clerical officers should ensure that all expenditures, especially those involving public funds, undergo the necessary approval processes. Compliance with financial regulations and policies. Stay informed about and adhere to financial regulations, policies, and guidelines governing public resource management.